You ain't riding this one, are you?
No, I got this.
Okay. I made sure I ain't taking this from you. Oh. Get a feel for this clutch. Oh yeah, this motor feels good on this bike. It's got good torque down low. I like this sport bike actually. I like this feeling of leaning forward. Yep, first time on a sport bike, but it's not too uncomfortable or nothing. You know, I'm 6'1", so my knees don't feel bent too bad or nothing. Getting in neutral's easy. It's a light bike though, so if you go these bikes are so light, like you can just, I mean, like I can lean over on my knee without even holding it with my hands, and it ain't nothing to hold it up. So very light. A little bumpy through here. Quick shifter felt pretty smooth first shift. I'm digging the motor on it. I mean, I've not really got to rev it out, but the torque is great, you know, 5,000 revs and below. It's got some punch to it, you know. Just what I can feel here, at least initially. Quick shifter's not too bad. Smoother than the Ibex. Oh yeah, the quick shifter's smooth. Those that don't know, my wife is on the 8S and I'm talking to her over the headset, and I'm on the 8R while she's on the 8S. So, but this 8S actually makes me feel like I would enjoy owning a sport bike. Like, it's pretty nice. It's got good torque in the low revs. Like, it's a good usable bike. Like, you ain't got to wring it out to feel like you can go, you know. Man, it's smooth, but got lots of torque. Feels good. Oh yeah. Oh, this feels great. Manual, like the clutch is automatic. The quick shifter's smooth. It's really good. I'm actually really impressed. This is a nice bike. Yeah, it's got good kick just down low. Yeah. The wind's blowing a little, so. Yeah, that motor, man, this is a fantastic motor. Smooth. Quick shifter's really good. Oh yeah, she's got some get up and go. I like it, man. I'm impressed. This is my first time riding Suzuki and riding a sport bike all in one. I think the quick shifter on this thing will spoil you. At least on the upshifts, it's really smooth. It's not bad on the downshifts unless you let the RPMs drop too low, then it gets a little notchy. But not bad. Not bad at all. I dig it. Good job, Suzuki, with the GSX-8R and I guess the 8S, based on your opinion. Oh, it sounds good, man. That motor's, this is a good little bike. And I'm not even, you know, I can't ring it all the way out because I got people in front of me, but it's, I mean, what I can ring out of it, it's really good, and it's got good torque, and just, man, smooth too at the same time. I dig it, totally dig it. Oh, it's so smooth. Like, even for a new bike, I feel like it's really good. The only thing, I wish they'd give this bike cruise control, because I mean, with ride by wire, it could easily have cruise control, and it's so smooth. I mean, this bike is really good. And for a sport bike, I mean, as far as my body position, it's comfortable. The seat, a little hard, but I mean, it's not awful. At least not on this. I'm not going to be on it long enough to know the long-term comfort of the seat or nothing. It is a little hard though, but man, this motor, there's a little bit of a delay, throttle on and off, but but the engine's so smooth it don't seem to matter. Yeah, I mean, this bike leans you forward a little bit, but not like harsh, you know. And I mean, your legs, they're not super cramped, even, you know. I mean, if you're under 6 foot, I don't feel like you're gonna get tired too fast on this bike. And I'm, like I said, I'm 6'1", so, and I feel like I could ride this bike, I mean, at least an hour or more, you know, before I'd get tired or cramped up feeling maybe. Which to me, I mean, that's pretty good, I think, for a sport bike. Oh yeah, it looks good. Neutral, but then we stopped. Too slow? It needs a turbo on it. Man, this little 800 is pretty good. Like, it's smooth and it's grunty. I dig it.